Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Anatomy by MNPT. So today we will discuss about a very complicated region of human body, that is head and neck. Head and neck, which is basically the combination of two regions, that is head and neck, consist of almost 35 bones. So in the beginning we'll discuss about the osteology of head and neck, which is consist of two main regions, that is head and neck. Together, these two regions consist of almost 35 bones. How these 35 bones form, let's discuss. Head, which consists of two main regions, that is cranial skeleton and facial skeleton. Cranial skeleton is the outer part of skull. It's also called cranial skeleton, and facial skeleton, which consists of face. So, skull is divided into two main regions, that is cranial skeleton, outermost part, and face anterior part. So cranial skeleton, which consists of basically two main regions, that is vault of skull and base of skull. Vault of skull, which is the outer part of skull, or is also called calvarium. This vault of skull, which consists of almost four bones, that are a frontal bone, two parietal bone, and a part of occipital bone. I will show you later. And it also consists of a base of skull, which is inner part of the skull. It also consists of many bones, we'll discuss later. So together these vault of skull and base of skull consist of 8 bones. And facial bones, this part of the skull is called face. Facial skeleton almost consists of 14 bones. 14 bones with 3 ossicles on each side. So these ossicles are also part of the skull, and these are total 6 ossicles, 3 on each ear. So together the facial skeleton consists of 20 bones. And neck region, which consists of 7 cervical vertebrae, 7 bones. Together these bones form 35, combination of 35 bones. Together these 8 cranial skeleton, 20 facial skeleton, and 7 cervical bones plus 6 ossicles. Now let's discuss each bone of head and neck separately. The cranial skeleton, that consists of outermost part, that is called vault of skull, and inner part, that is called the base of skull. So this part of skull, which is also called the vault of skull, it basically consists of 4 bones, that are frontal bone and 2 parietal bones, and a part of occipital bone. You can see here there are sutures for these. So together these 4 bones form the vault of skull, which forms the roof and sides of cranial cavity. This cavity is called cranial cavity, and together vault of skull and cranial cavity forms the cranium. This fossa inside the cranium is called cranial cavity. Now let's discuss about the base of skeleton. The base of skeleton, which consists of part of occipital bone and temporal bones and a specialized butterfly type of bone. This is called sphenoid, and this bone is called ethmoid. Together these bones forms the base of the skull. Now let's give a quick review about the cranial skeleton. The cranial skeleton, that consists of the vault of skull. Vault of skull consists of 4 bones, that is the frontal bone and 2 parietal bones and a part of occipital bone. When we remove the vault of the skull, we get a fossa, a large fossa, that is called the cranial cavity. So vault, which forms the floor and sides of cranial cavity. The cranial cavity occupies the brain. Cranial skeleton also consists of the base of skull. The base of skull consists of the part of occipital bone, temporal bones from right side and left side of temporal bones, uh, sphenoid bone. This butterfly bone is called sphenoid bone, and this bone is called ethmoid. Together, these all 8 bone forms the cranial skeleton. While the bones of face, which consist of almost 20 bones, those are two ossicles, two sides of ossicles. Those are 6 in number, and beside that Two zygomatic bones, those are cheekbones. Left side of zygomatic bone, and that is the right side of zygomatic bone. Two maxillas, that is right side of maxilla bone, left side of maxillary bone. Two nasal bones, right nasal bone, left nasal bone. Two tear bones, this is left side of lacrimal bone, and that is the right side of lacrimal bone. Two nasal bone which forms the bridge of nose is separated from a specialized type of single bone that is called the Boomer bone. It separates the right and left nasal aperture. And on posterior aspect, two palatine bones that forms the posterior two-third of hard palate. But anterior one-third of hard palate is formed by the maxillary bone. These two are maxillary bones, and this posterior two-third is palatine bones. And another specialized movable bone. The face has only single movable bone, that is mandible. Mandible which also forms the lower jaw. You can see this is only joint in the skull that is movable. While from the base of skull, if we see, we get two outgrowths or three type of outgrowths. There are superior, middle, and inferior conchies. These conchies, inferior conchies, are the part of facial skeleton, while superior and middle conchies are part of cranial skeleton. It was all about the bones of skull.